we are live, and I'm doing it on my phone because I thought I could show you what it looks like on my laptop. Apparently this is the free version of StreamYard. Seems pretty good. It's pretty basic as live studio platforms go. The dashboard's pretty simple and basic, but it's functional, and you can run it from your browser with a phone or a webcam, which is good. Excuse my beard, it could do with a trim. And we're on the front camera at the moment, so the quality is quite good. Let's have a look at the dashboard on the laptop when you log into StreamYard. Well, I would, but it won't let me flip the camera. Let's see. Nope, that's the mute button. We've got an end button. See, I'm doing this on my phone, so we're not getting a lot of info on the phone. We've got brands, comments, banners, and I can't flip the camera to show you the front screen, which is kind of annoying, isn't it? You can pin comments though. If you tap the comment, it appears on the screen, which is good. I think that's going to be a pretty standard protocol with streaming software now, isn't it? I imagine there's a few of these apps around as well. Anyway, this one's StreamYard. You can see what it's called on the little banners. If you pay $20 a month, you can get rid of those banners. What I wanted to do is show you it on the computer, but the only way I can do that is to do that. But then I can't see what you're looking at. So perhaps StreamYard will make it so that on your phone you can flip the camera. If the stream ends here, it's because I'm playing about with settings and I've ended it by accident. But anyway. So back in StreamYard again, you can see this is my browser. So this is what it looks like for me. Third recording ever. So I wanted to show you what the studio looks like. What it's doing is recording my camera, storing it on servers online as a recording only. But what you can do is you can live stream as well. Let's just take a minute to suss it out. This is the free version. If you want to remove the banners from the screen, you need to pay a subscription, which is $20 a month, and it'll also only let you record in 720p. If you want to record in HD 1080p, you have to pay the fee. 1080p, pay the fee. Right, so having said that, there's probably other features as well that make it worthwhile upgrading if you're going to use it a lot, but for someone like me, the freebie version is pretty good, I reckon. Anyway, let's create a broadcast and show you what it looks like. Basically, you connect up your Facebook and your YouTube channels, and you can have Twitch and the Twitter version as well, and LinkedIn and a few other places. And when you create a broadcast, it publishes the stream to all the services at once, which is pretty amazing. But if I wanted to stream to my Facebook and my YouTube, I would just click those. But I'm not going to. I'm just going to record it. Give it a quick title. Test run 3, that will do. So it checks your camera and your microphone levels, which seem pretty good. This is the name that will be displayed on the screen. So you can see it's recording my webcam as I'm recording this. I'm doing a screen capture as well, which is pretty cool. So let's just put, just doing this quick. So that's my brand name, basically, Inner Vision. And let's go in the studio, which looks a lot like that. Oh, we're back. We're back on the phone. It might still be recording, so I'll keep going. Right, we're in the studio. So basically you can choose the layout. If you want to add people in, or if you want to share your screen, you can stop the cam, mute, invite people, send them a link, and then you can get them on your get them on the screen live with you. I think you can have up to 6 people added into the live stream and have a little live chat. It's a lot like Zoom actually, but it's all done from your web browser, so it's pretty good. And when you've finally finished what you want to say, you end recording. Well, not ending recording, I'm starting recording. Right, so let's record. So now this will get really interesting because I'm recording on my laptop and on my phone, and I'm doing a screen capture on my phone. So let's get those 3 images on the screen in iMovie and see what it looks like. Should be interesting anyway. Right, so I'm going to stop all these. I'm going to stop the one on my laptop first. End broadcast, end broadcast. How did it go? That was okay. Rock on. Not now, thanks. So return to dashboard. And if we look at past recordings, there's test run 3. And as you can see, that one is the one that I'm recording now, live on my phone. So I shall try and end this one on my phone, and then I'll go back to the front recording. So it all seems to work rather well. I'd like to have a live test run. Maybe I'll do that one afternoon, one evening when I've got a bit more time, but I just want to suss it out before I go live, make a complete fool of myself basically. I don't have a lot of trouble doing that anyway these days. So that's it really. That's my little video. Hope you liked it. Go and play around in StreamYard and knock yourself out, kid, as they say. That's my little video. Thanks very much for watching.